two, a 1, 2, 3. Going now.
Sorry, sound check.
Going nowhere fast. We've reached the climax. We're together now, we're undone. We're coming, so we choose to run away. Do it separate. Oh, we're living so we climax. Yeah. Yeah.
Hi guys,
Welcome to the Best
You.
All right, welcome
Welcome back.
Welcome back. We're so happy to have you here on our channel. Thank you everyone who tuned in last week, to watch our video, and everybody who has watched all our videos so far. We appreciate you. Keep
We
subscribing,
appreciate the love, the
keep
likes,
liking,
the comments.
keep commenting, keep sharing, and keep showing us some love because we love you all the same. All right, so what are we doing today, babe?
Today we're going to be reviewing another one of our skits, a really nice one. So this came right after Do the Dishes. This one is called The Fridge Wars.
It was Fridge Wars, yeah, and it was really fun to shoot actually because we had to do some really interesting camera work, angles and whatnot. But it was really fun.
Babe, and the really interesting thing about The Fridge Wars is that it's something that is a war that is ever raging on. Like, it's currently ongoing,
yeah.
and I don't see it ever ending anytime soon.
Yeah.
So
I mean, imagine two people that have like some kind of OCD, living together, and you like some things in a particular way. Definitely, that kind of war is not going to end.
Gosh.
So we're gonna show you the video, and then from there we're gonna dive into the review.
Yes.
All right.
They told him, don't you ever come around here. Don't wanna see your face, you better disappear. The fire's in their eyes and their words are really clear. So beat it, just beat it. You better run, you better do what you can. Don't wanna see no blood, don't be a macho man. You wanna be tough, better do what you can. So beat it, but you wanna be bad, just beat it. Beat it. No one wants to beat it, beat it. Sure, but I'm funky, strong as your fighter. It doesn't matter who's wrong or right. Just beat it, just beat it, just beat it, just beat it. They're out to get you, better leave while you can. Don't wanna be a boy, you wanna be a man. You wanna stay. The winner takes it all, the loser standing small beside the victory. That's her destiny. The winner takes it all, the loser standing small.
Alright, welcome back guys. I hope you really enjoyed that video, Fridge Wars. Some very interesting aspects of that. Again, like I said, this is something that actually happens every single day in our house, right?
Unfortunately.
And it's not only about the fridge, to be honest. It's everywhere around the house. Be it the way the pillows are positioned, the candles on the console, but the fridge is the most
way the bed is laid.
Yeah, the way the bed is laid. But the fridge is the most important part. Why? Because it has to do with food.
Yeah.
We love food.
We are foodies.
So we like the things, arranged in a particular order, and it's so interesting how our sense of organization
so different. Like, Ife likes his stuff arranged in a particular way, and I like my stuff arranged in a particular way. But like we said in the last video, and even in this video, as you can see, I mean, even though there was no real compromise, because if you watch the video, at the end of the video, Ife just took everything out of the fridge.
I was like, no, if I can't have it, then I'm going to take it out.
Like, he was just like, I couldn't believe he did that. But you know, I mean, like we said in our last video, it's all about compromise, because love is sacrifice, love is compromise, and the truth is, one person has to just bend. You know, one person has to just like be like, okay, do you know what? And it doesn't have to be a competition on who has to bend. One person just has to decide, okay, do you know what? I would bend. I won't mind, you know, the food being arranged in a particular way. But where one person is bending, the other person has to also bend in another aspect or another area, right?
Yes, and another important thing about this fridge is that we're not shouting at each other saying, "Oh, we should be this way. Don't touch this." No.
Don't touch the sausage.
Basically,
the jam jar.
Basically, what we are doing is that, okay, put it your way. When it's my turn and I go to the fridge again, I'll rearrange it. I will sit. So I think we both maybe have too much time on our hands or something.
Yeah.
I'm fine with it. So
yeah, but I mean, I think we've actually kind of reduced, like, it's not as intense as when we first got married. That, you know, any little thing, if I open the fridge, I'm rearranging. If I opens the fridge, is rearranging. You know, now if I see the items in the fridge in a particular way, I just leave it. I don't, you know, rearrange it. It's only sometimes.
That's because she's beginning to say that my arrangements makes more sense.
Oh, that's a lie.
Yes, I think my arrangement is beginning to rub off on that. So nowadays we have less issues or battles, simply because we have identified that
it was a matter of me bending. I decided to bend and say, okay, do you know what?
Yeah, I agree.
Let me just allow my babe to have this part of our lives, like to just lead this part of our lives. What are you doing?
I'm winking to my fans. We understand what we are saying.
So yeah, I mean, that's what basically it was all about. Also, one thing that we try to do when we're, like, you know, putting together these videos, just to give you, like, you know, that vibe and that mood, is song selections. Like, we even got a couple of comments from people saying, "Oh my God, you guys, the song killed, you know, the video, the song just portrayed what you guys were doing." I think for that one, you know, we used Beat It, and it was just perfect, because if you can remember the music video of Beat It, it was like two opposite sides. You know, trying to, like, you know,
dance battle,
yeah. So we always take that into consideration also.
So that was a good song choice. I think you were the one that selected that one. So kudos, top notch.
Yeah.
But while we are on this, I want to use this opportunity to pick something that has been on my chest and has been worrying me for a while.
I don't know what to say. I promise you.
Babe.
What?
Why is it that whenever we're in the kitchen, you are cooking or doing something, you're always standing right in front of the sink? I'm doing something, and you are just right there. You are not even using the tap or the sink. Maybe you are cutting somebody outside. You are on your phone.
I'm not.
Yes, you are just right in front of the sink. Can you explain why? I always have to tell you to please.
I'm actually trying to do other stuff, like, you know, I'm on my phone most of the time, actually.
So please, I just like to throw it open and address this situation.
But I don't always stand every time. Like, it's only probably when I just finish washing the plate, and I stay there because in case you put a plate or a spoon in the sink, I want to just wash it immediately. So I'm just in front of the sink, ready to, you know, do my duties, my washing duties.
All right. Now that you mention it, I have this on tape on camera. All right. Please continue to stand in front of the sink so that I can drop the dishes.
Alright guys, this brings us to the end of this video.
Yes.
We hope you enjoyed it. Like we said, we're going to be reviewing our quarantine stories, the best quarantine stories. So next week we have another one for you. We can't wait to share with you guys. But in the meantime, please drop a comment, tell us what you think about the videos, share your own stories, you know, what you guys have disputes on or about, and then, you know, how you come up with creative conflict resolutions also. So till next week, stay blessed and we love you guys. Mwah, 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 mwah.